I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming and verifying your Google business profile. Do this first because it unlocks local visibility. Once verified, make sure your NAP, name, address, phone, matches exactly on your website and GBP. Then pick a precise primary category and 2 to 3 relevant secondary categories, add clear photos, and set business hours. These concrete steps create the foundation so search engines and customers recognize your local presence right away. You now optimize on-page content and citations. Create one landing page per target city and include the city name in the title tag, H1, meta description, and URL so search engines associate the page with that location. Add local business schema with geo-coordinates and opening hours to make details machine-readable. Parallel to that, build consistent citations on authoritative directories. Ensure listings match your NAP. Once done, track rankings and citation consistency to catch mismatches early. You finish by driving reviews, earning local links, and setting reporting. Actively request reviews through email or SMS and respond to every review within 48 hours. This boosts click-through and trust. Simultaneously pursue local backlinks from partners, sponsorships, events, and local press to signal authority. Finally, set weekly reporting using GBP Insights and Search Console to measure impressions and queries. If rankings stall, troubleshoot inconsistent NAP, duplicate listings, or suppress GBP status as the first fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.